Hello, my friend. Welcome to Peak Forest. Today we are going to be analyzing CAD CHF. But before we get started, we are going to go back to last week analysis and see how it played out. So this is our analysis of CAD CHF last week. So as you can see, we had the market close last week. Last week on this price, and we were expecting it to come down here, probably to go up again. So now I'm going to play this to see how the market actually went through. So right now, the market actually came down to this level. So we are looking at it and are seeing some other things that might going to be happening this week. So I have done an analysis on this. So I am going to explain on how I arrived the market and what might likely going to happen. So let me just quickly go to the analysis which I did. So now on this particular analysis, I have already done some things, but I'm going to explain what I did. So the first thing I always say and I do whenever I come to a chart, I first of all mark out the high and the low of the week, of the past week. So now I marked out, this was last week high, this is last week low. So now, and I'm using 4 hour time frame. So as I marked it, this is it. So I first of all marked it, and I found out that there are some things. At first, I was hoping that the market will come here, then bounce up. But at the second thought, I looked at it so well, and I found out that there is a structure trying to form here. A shoulder, head, and shoulder pattern is about to happen here. So, but I know many retailers has already spotted this out as this, but on second thought, I think that this might not happen that way immediately because some people need to be pulled out of the market. So I believe that at this stage now I want to go short. So because of this structure that has been formed, but I want to think differently right now. So now I want to um, play out some smart money moves. So right now I have some money placed here. So I believe there are some money placed here for people that are going to be going short in this particular um, trade. I believe there is some money placed here. That is a stop for some people because most people might be going short, probably to go short a little bit down to this point. But so they might be going short to go and test this trend because now I have an up channel. So I had up channel like this, and I drew another one like this. I believe this was a fake out. So I believe the market there's some smart money above here. So and again there is some here. There are some here. So let me spot this. This is another smart money around here. So if these markets start to go up, it's well I keep some money around here. So people that were going short will be trapped here. So the money that was here will be trapped and be taken by the market makers. And some also will be looking at this as a double bottom, which they will put their stops here and will actually go up to the neckline. So probably they might be waiting for a neckline to form and it will break a bit upwards and some of the money they may be putting some stops around here. But it's going to be unfortunate that at this level the market is going to reverse from what I'm thinking. So the reason why I have the second box here is because I have my Fibonacci level at that point. Let's measure and see. It's right. You see. So at this in my box, I have a 0.618 and up here 0.79. So I believe something might happen inside here and drops down. So now I have 4 boxes here. I made this to be my peak formation high level 1. So the market will after going to make another high. So this is level 1, this will be level 2 and level 3 before going up to this point. Yeah, to this point, to this level. So right now we are going to be following this market step by step. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be buying from here up to this point, then go for. But before we do that, we need to see our pattern, an entry pattern that was going to tell us it's the right time for us to buy. So we'll go up like this, then shut it down. Before I'll be posting step by step on this particular analysis on how the market is moving. So if there is still other adjustment to do in the prices, I'll still let us know. Please, I'm going to be ending here now, and thanks for watching. And please, can you kindly subscribe to our channel? Click on the notification button so that you get all our analysis at any time we post it. If you have any question, you can just drop it on the comment section. I'll be glad and I'll answer everybody. Thanks for watching. See you next time.